Hi everyone, my name is Douglas Starnes, and welcome to my course, Creating a Connected App with Flutter. I'm an independent tech author and speaker. In this course, we are going to see how to use the packages available in the Dart language to connect Flutter apps to web services. Some of the major topics that we will cover include working with futures to run lengthy tasks in the background, making HTTP requests and handling the responses, parsing and generating JSON data, and authenticating users. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use web services from within a Flutter or Dart app, and also how to interpret and generate JSON data to communicate with those services. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the fundamentals of Dart and how to build a basic Flutter app. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Flutter, Dart, and HTTP with the Creating a Connected App with Flutter course at Pluralsight.